Hi there, students. To judder. Normally it's a verb. It could be a noun as well. Okay, to judder is to shake, to vibrate. For example, I'm thinking of you're trying to close a door that keeps banging on the ground. So, to judder, to shake rapidly. He looked really sad, and suddenly his shoulders started to judder, and he began to cry. Okay, so to judder, to shake, very often a vehicle as well, particularly the collocation to judder to a halt. So it's not to stop smoothly, no, to judder to a halt, to shake rapidly, to shake spasmodically. The train juddered to a halt, the car juddered to a halt. Is a violent shaking. The machine, I pressed the start button, the machine juddered and then started. Or the car juddered and then it stopped. As you walk across the bridge, you can feel it bouncing and juddering if there's a wind. So to judder is to shake, but particularly to judder to a halt. And we use this phrase to judder to a halt metaphorically as well. So the electric company cut off the electricity and production juddered to a halt. There was a strike of London Underground drivers, and the throbbing vibrancy of the city juddered to a halt, to stop, to not to continue at full speed. Okay, so to judder, it's like a jarring motion, a juddering motion. To vibrate violently. Let's see, if you lift the clutch on your car too quickly, it will judder. Or perhaps if your clutch is going, it might judder as well. Okay, so to judder, it's not a smooth motion. It's a vibrating thing. But let's see, to judder. A judder went through the team's confidence when the opposition scored in the first couple of minutes. It's like, ooh, yeah. Okay. The unions called a strike, and the process juddered to a halt. Okay, particularly juddering. This car judders at certain speeds. I think there's some sort of harmonic motion or something. Okay, so to judder. In video play can judder. It's like it's jerky. It's not smooth and regular, but it judders. It's not smooth and regular. Okay, the line starts to judder. Okay, to shake backwards and forwards. Okay, so to judder, to vibrate with intensity. So the sound of juddering. The engine began to judder and then it stopped. So to vibrate intensely. Yeah, it's moving up and down. It's something that judders. His shoulders juddered and he started to cry. The lift juddered and stopped working. The doors juddered open, so slowly but surely. Okay, it's an abnormal vibration, perhaps in a mechanical system. A juddering motion, a shaking, a wobbling motion. Yeah, to me, it's normally, I would normally associate it with a car. It's not moving very smoothly. So to judder, it was juddering. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could probably use it anywhere. And then, as to origin, I'm not really sure about it. I would be glad to receive. Maybe it's linked to the word to shudder. Also, I'm not sure if the Americans use this word or not, but to judder, something mechanical that shapes rapidly and strongly. The steering wheel juddering in his hands. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Judder.